The 7 Miracles of Flaxseed. Did you know that flaxseed can be a true ally for your health? In this video, we'll reveal the 7 miracles that flaxseed can do for you. Did you know that just 1 tablespoon of flaxseed can reduce blood pressure as effectively as medications, but without the side effects? Discover how flaxseed can help control type 2 diabetes, improve your heart health, and even prevent certain types of cancer. Want to know how to include this superfood in your diet, and what the differences are between golden and brown flaxseed? Stay with us and find out. Let's start. Reduction of blood pressure. Flaxseed can significantly help reduce blood pressure. Studies, such as the one published in the journal Hypertension, indicate that flaxseed is one of the most effective foods in this aspect. In a double-blind randomized study, participants who consumed muffins containing flaxseed had a notable reduction in blood pressure compared to the control group. This reduction was similar to the effect of diuretic medications, but without the side effects. The blood pressure of participants who consumed flaxseed dropped from 158/82 to 143/75, which can result in nearly a 50% reduction in strokes and 30% in heart disease. Reviews of over 15 clinical trials, involving more than 1,300 participants, corroborate these results, showing a significant drop in both systolic and diastolic pressure. For the millions of hypertensive Brazilians, incorporating a tablespoon of flaxseed into their daily diet can be an effective and economical solution. Prevention and control. Of type 2 diabetes. Flaxseed plays a crucial role in the prevention and control of type 2 diabetes. Rich in soluble and insoluble fibers, it promotes satiety and slows the absorption of sugar in the blood, helping to control glycemic levels. The fermentation of fibers in the large intestine produces beneficial metabolites such as acetate, propionate, and butyrate, which improve insulin sensitivity and metabolic health. Studies show that flaxseed can lower blood sugar and increase insulin sensitivity, preventing diabetes and aiding in control for those who are already diabetic. A meta-analysis of 25 scientific studies confirms these benefits, highlighting flaxseed as an essential food for those seeking to improve glycemic control. Additionally, the fiber in flaxseed has a prebiotic effect, promoting the diversity of good bacteria in the gut, which is vital for the integrity of the intestinal barrier and the reduction of systemic inflammation. Reduction of cholesterol. Flaxseed is effective in lowering blood cholesterol levels, especially benefiting those with hypercholesterolemia. The fibers present in flaxseed help reduce fat absorption in the digestive tract and neutralize bile, which contains cholesterol, forcing the body to use circulating cholesterol to produce more bile. Additionally, flaxseed is a rich source of omega-3, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which plays an important role in raising good cholesterol, HDL, and lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed contains about 1.6 grams of ALA, making it a powerful and natural option for controlling cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of flaxseed can therefore replace the need for expensive omega-3 supplements, providing broad and accessible benefits for cardiovascular health. Reduction of inflammation. Flaxseed has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. The modern diet is rich in omega-6, present in many vegetable oils and animal proteins, which can increase inflammation. Omega-3, abundant in flaxseed, counterbalances this effect due to its anti-inflammatory properties. People suffering from joint, spine, or chronic inflammations can benefit from consuming flaxseed, which offers a natural alternative to pharmaceutical anti-inflammatories, which can have adverse side effects on the heart and kidneys. Incorporating flaxseed into the diet can therefore not only relieve pain and inflammation, but also improve the quality of life safely and naturally. Regular consumption of flaxseed can be particularly beneficial for those who want to avoid the risks associated with traditional anti-inflammatory medications. Reduction of breast cancer. Risk. Flaxseed is rich in lignans, phytoestrogens, that can reduce the risk of breast cancer by mitigating the effects of the body's natural estrogen. Laboratory studies show that lignans suppress the proliferation of breast cancer cells. Besides laboratory studies, clinical research indicates that women with higher levels of lignans in their blood have a higher survival rate for breast cancer. In a clinical study, women with breast cancer who consumed flaxseed muffins daily had less aggressive tumors after 5 weeks compared to a control group. This protective effect makes flaxseed a valuable food in the diet of women concerned about the risk of breast cancer, providing a natural and effective prevention method. Additionally, flaxseed lignans may help reduce the risk of breast cancer recurrence in survivors. Reduction of prostate cancer. Risk. Men can benefit from consuming flaxseed due to its potential to reduce the risk of prostate cancer. The lignans present in flaxseed have properties that can decrease tumor growth and PSA, prostate-specific antigen, levels, a marker associated with prostate cancer. Studies with men diagnosed with prostate cancer who consumed flaxseed showed a reduction in tumor growth rates. Additionally, flaxseed can make tumors less aggressive, providing an additional layer of protection against this prevalent disease. Although flaxseed is beneficial, it is important for men to have regular consultations with urologists to monitor prostate health. Flaxseed consumption should be seen as an additional preventive measure that, along with regular medical care, can significantly contribute to prostate health and cancer prevention. Weight loss and abdominal fat reduction. Flaxseed is a powerful ally in weight loss and reducing abdominal fat. Rich in fibers and healthy fats, it promotes satiety, helping to control appetite and reduce calorie intake. Additionally, flaxseed is an excellent source of protein, which also contributes to the feeling of fullness. A meta-analysis of 45 studies revealed that including flaxseed in a healthy diet can result in significant weight loss, especially after 12 weeks of consumption in obese individuals. Flaxseed has also been shown to be effective in reducing abdominal circumference, helping to burn belly fat. These effects are amplified when flaxseed is combined with a balanced diet and an active lifestyle. Incorporating 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed daily can be a simple and effective strategy for those looking to lose weight and improve their body composition. Nutritional and flavor differences. Although both varieties of flaxseed, golden and brown, are nutritionally similar, there are some subtle differences. Golden flaxseed contains slightly more protein, while both are almost equivalent in omega-3 content. Flavor is one of the main differences. Golden flaxseed has a milder flavor, which may be preferable for some people, while brown flaxseed has a more robust flavor and a harder shell. These flavor differences may influence the choice of one variety over the other, depending on personal preferences and how you plan to incorporate them into your daily diet. Regardless of the variety chosen, both offer the same nutritional benefits and can be used interchangeably in recipes. Price and availability. Golden flaxseed is generally more expensive than brown, mainly because it is often imported. Brown flaxseed, on the other hand, is widely cultivated in Brazil, making it more accessible and economical. This price difference can be a decisive factor for many people when choosing which variety to buy. However, from a nutritional standpoint, both varieties are equally beneficial, offering the same essential nutrients and health properties. Therefore, the choice between golden and brown flaxseed can be based more on cost and flavor preference than on significant differences in nutritional value. The availability of both varieties in local markets facilitates the regular inclusion of flaxseed in the diet. Importance of grinding flaxseed before consuming. To fully enjoy the nutritional benefits of flaxseed, it is crucial to grind the seeds before consuming them. Whole seeds can pass through the digestive system without being completely digested, resulting in less absorption of essential nutrients. Grinding the seeds allows the body to access the omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and fibers that flaxseed offers. You can buy whole seeds and grind them at home using a blender or coffee grinder, or opt to buy pre-ground flaxseed. Ground seeds can be stored at room temperature for up to 4 months, but it is advisable to grind small quantities regularly to ensure freshness and avoid rancidity. Incorporating ground flaxseed into your daily diet is simple and can be done by adding it to smoothies, cereals, salads, soups, and baked goods. Daily consumption methods and suggestions for use in food. Ground flaxseed is versatile and can be easily incorporated into various meals throughout the day. For breakfast, it can be mixed with oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. For lunch and dinner, it can be added to salads, soups, sauces, and main dishes like chicken parmesan or beans. Flaxseed can also be used in recipes for bread, cakes, pies, and tapiocas, providing a pleasant texture and a significant nutritional boost. Additionally, flaxseed can act as a natural thickener in recipes, helping to improve the consistency of sauces and soups. The flexibility of flaxseed use allows you to find creative ways to include it in your daily diet, ensuring that you get your daily dose of essential nutrients without drastically altering your eating habits. Who should avoid flaxseed and in what conditions to be cautious? Although flaxseed is beneficial for most people, there are some contraindications and situations where its consumption should be moderated or avoided. People with a flaxseed allergy should avoid it completely. Those suffering from digestive conditions, such as irritable bowel syndrome or diverticulitis, may need to start with small amounts to avoid gastrointestinal discomfort, such as gas and bloating. Additionally, individuals with end-stage renal disease should consult a doctor before consuming flaxseed due to its high potassium content. Although flaxseed has anti-inflammatory properties that may be beneficial in cases of lupus nephritis, potassium can be a problem in cases of severe renal insufficiency. Therefore, it is always advisable to seek medical guidance before introducing flaxseed into the diet, especially for those with pre-existing health conditions. Role of fibers in metabolic health and omega-3. In reducing inflammation, flaxseed is an excellent source of soluble and insoluble fibers which play a crucial role in metabolic health. Soluble fibers slow the absorption of sugar in the blood, helping to regulate glycemic levels, while insoluble fibers promote satiety and improve digestion. The fermentation of fibers in the large intestine produces beneficial metabolites that positively influence glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. In addition to fibers, flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of omega-3 helps balance the excessive intake of omega-6, common in the modern diet, and can reduce chronic inflammation, which is associated with various diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune conditions. Thus, the inclusion of flaxseed in the diet can significantly contribute to overall health, improving metabolic function, and reducing inflammation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.